This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good evening, guys. Do you have any doubts where I've left yesterday's Facebook page roles? We had some technical problem, so I couldn't able to complete this task. We'll try to complete today itself. I was talking about different types of roles in the Facebook. One is admin role, editor role, and moderate role, then advertiser, then analyst. What you can able to get the features. Number one, view sites. Then next, number two, you can create an ads, create an ads. They can able to send message as the page. Then he can able to respond, and also he can delete comments. Then he can create post as a page, as the page. Next, he can edit the page. You can edit the page, and also you can add apps. The last one, manage admin roles. When you have an admin account, you will get view insight is available. So I'll be writing, this would be a present. You can get, or create also you can get, send messages, then delete and respond to the comment. He will get all the features. But when you create a person as an editor, and he will get most of the pages except the last one. Okay, the editor will get most of the privileges as like this, but the last one is null. You will not get admin page manage. You can manage the admin role, you cannot able to get it. So this is one disadvantages of this area. Then when we talk about moderator, you will get except the last three options. Except the last three option, he will get most of this area in this case. Next, we have one more, advertiser. Advertiser, he will get only the first one and two role, because he has to create a advertisements in the Facebook, and also he can able to see the insight of this area. Then last one, if you are an advertiser, means analyst, you will be getting this last one, only one feature, this one. Is it clear? Now we will see practically what we can do this. How can we create a person as a editor, moderator, and how we can able to delegate him. Okay. Open your Facebook ID. Make ensure are you in the tech mentor page, business page. You must be in the same page. So what you have to do is you have to click settings first. Then when you scroll down, here you have a page setup. Click page setup. Then you have a page access. So select this page access. Then in this case, people with Facebook access. Click on add new, and which will give you the particular information. Facebook access means what? Okay, whenever you have free time, so just you go through this, whatever I explained, the same thing you have. Okay, you will be getting as per the rule. Okay, so click next, then enter the person mail ID. So I'm going to take my mail ID and just press enter key and select the account. Then immediately you will get the list of options here, and saying this, allow this persons to have this full control. Anyone with the full control, he can give this access to others, and also anyone from the page, or he can able to delete. So here you have this option. Except this option, I can go for give access and asking for the password. Okay, when you enter the password, then you give confirmation. So when you enter password, then which will take you to the next level of accessing. This is how we can able to take, and also we can create the area. Next step, people with the task. Go to the next one, then take your ID, select, and what content you wanted to create. For example, if I allow them insight to only for this, then according to our chart, you have seen view site which will give you analyst. Wait a minute. If you are giving rights only for insights, then he will become analyst. Okay. Next, second thing is, if you are giving ads permission, then analyst, sorry, view site and ads, he will become advertisers. Okay, if you are creating him as an advertiser, then you give these two role. Okay, then next you go for community activity, like respond to the commands, then remove the unwanted commands or something and all. If you wanted to delegate him, then you select this option, then he will become a moderator. Okay, next I wanted to have of all the features. So take one by one. You can message, and also you can handle messages and calls, and also you can have a content creations, manages and deleting post, so on so on. Then finally you give access for him, then asking for password, then confirm it. That's all. Yeah, on that on this basis you can have this permission settings. Okay, and also we have a community managers. So using this community managers features, you can manage, you can chart, you can comment. Okay, you can invite other peoples also, but right now I'm not going to do that, but make understand this, how we can able to create this face permission roles. Is there any doubts? So yesterday I gave you some of this option. I wanted to, if I wanted to create a content is the most important thing. To create a content, we need some other platforms, or else using Canva only we can do that. Okay, so make ensure what type of content you will be creating, make them to engage in the Facebook page. Other than this Canva, we have some option. I'll be taking the next one. The next one, it says 5 tools for content creations. Could you tell me which are those yesterday which I gave? Number one, first, anyword.com. So select this, and when you type in the next tab, so this Anyword is an writing platform for enterprises marketing team. Even the largest AI model does not know that what resonate with your audience. Any words? Okay, you give it to AI itself for creating content. So start with free, continue with Google account. Now this one is accepted. There will be a lot of templates in this any word platform. Select that and you create a content whenever you have free time. Just for demonstrating, I'm showing you. Continue with the current one. So only one platform I will show you how it's going to be working and what will be the interface of this. Yeah, see this. You have a lot of templates and you have a copy intelligence. Even you can create, you can customize that content for the Facebook, and integrations resources also available. You can start, you have a 7 days trial period for your account, and also you can able to get 2500 word credits. So click start now. So now asking for describe that current role what you are in. So now I'm going to take social social media manager. Going to take, okay, I'll be taking this. Okay, so go to the next. Then just 1 2 and 10. Then others I'll be taking. Once it gets done, then you will get that interface and start with the template builder. Then you create and download it and start posting the content. So this is the first for creating the content creations. Then when we talk about that second one is socialbu.com. Then third one, postgeniusapp.com. Then next we have fourth one, designer.microsoft.com. Then last one, google.com. Use any one of this and start creating the action. Google search, click next. So still is taking. So now the questionnaire part is over. So connect your application from where you wanted to do this. Okay, so I'm planning to take meta ads. So just you connect with your meta ads. So this will be an integration part. Username and password where you want it to be connected. Okay, you need to switch only for uh, dummy or just for only demo purpose I am showing you. So in real time, if you wanted to do this, upgrade your account from where you are creating any word the platform, and connect your direct account meta business suite account, and start creating the content. Okay, go for templates, and here you have social media campaign, and select Facebook post, and you will get lot of options just like Canva, and start creating and download it and share it. And now you put a prompt for this to generate. Okay, and you have limited options here, could you able to see? So do not apply the formula, maximum character 400, and you can get that vocabulary also. Okay, so check out the target audience, and just for your understanding purpose, I'm going to take one product announcement. So this is what system has given. So tone of the voice you can select, advisor, motivator, so in which manner you wanted to take that, taking as a natural one. Okay, neutral, and select the space. Okay, like target audience, marketing, social media. So how this is going to be, so I wanted to have a broad audience. Okay, so click generate. So look at this, and also which will give you what is a uh, better way we can get that insight. Okay, that insight also which will give you how much people will like. 67% people will give the responses like similar kind of text and whatever we have copied. Okay, and this is the statistics. This is the main advantages of the AI. Okay, using any word, so like this which will give you, even directly you can copy this, you can apply and copy this, start promoting that. So to post, if you are satisfied, even if you want, if you wanted to fine tune, then again come back in the prompt, you can do that. But right now I'm not going to do that, just for demo purpose I have shown you. So like this, some other content management tools also. So not only with the content, we have a content management tools that also AI based. We have 6 tools for content management. So saying that, number one, hootsuite.com. Next, number two, we have a crowdfireapp.com. Third one is buffer.com. Next, fourth one is socialpilot.com. Then fifth one is 10th.studio.com. Then sixth one is belongs to coschedule.com. use any one of this platform. Example I'm going to take. So how we have done for any words, so similarly take for hootsuite, just like this, and start with the trial and say this, save the time and also get the real result on your social media, and you can manage your content. Okay, the people of social media like Adobe, JetBlue, so on, so on other platforms they are presently they are using, and also which will give you the next level of the result, saying that social listens, it's going to be 100 to 100% which will give that analytics insights before you post. Okay, and also which will create the report also, ROI, return of investment, and also best analytics. If you don't have time, then if company too much of spending money, and if you wanted to avoid those things, okay, for the digital marketers, okay, appointing multiple digital marketers and connected to different area, delegate them, and also giving salary for that. So instead of that, you can do this cross cuttings, and also you can invest on this particular content management tool itself. It's going to take, and also you can schedule the content whenever is going to be post, as you created in this platform. Okay, so I'm going to close this. I hope is that understood, right? Is there any doubts? You ask me if you have any doubts whatever I taught you now. So shall we start that ad campaign? So to start ad campaign, some basic requirement, you have to understand some of the strategy. The strategy says, make ensure what is the exact way of doing campaigns. It's similar like your Google Ads campaign only, but little bit of different concept we have here. The thing is, I'm going to take a smart art here. So I'll be taking only the two things. So number one, campaign. Here, ad set. Here also you can take one more ad set. Inside the ad set, again you can add one more here, add a shape. add a shape below. So here I'm going to take a text ads, then take one more here, right click, below only I will be taking ads, and repeat the same thing for right hand side also. Below, right click, below. And you can, for your understanding purpose, just I'll be changing the shape. I'll be taking this to rounded rectangle. Okay, so where you can add run the ads. So right click, edit text, ads, ads. So structure for a Facebook ad campaign. Like this you can do multiple campaign, but now one example I'm going to take in this. The campaign name I'm going to take winter collection. One example, winter collection. So close it. You can increase this, decrease the small size. So next, when it comes to ad set, you take the same thing for what will you do? Winter collection for men. There's one ad set example, and one more I can take women. So not to get any confusion, before you create any ads, understand the strategy. What is campaign, what is ad set, and what is ad now. So for campaign I've written winter collection. Inside that we have men winter collection and also women winter collections. So in the men winter collections, I'll be taking one of the ad here, and that comes to what and all will be putting for ads. One is I can put ads for jackets, then you take number 2 boots. Okay, you can take number 3 product hats. So like this, take different things in the first ad. Even if you are conducting the second ad by paying to the Facebook. So continue. Number 1 jeans, next number 2 socks, number 3 gloves. So like this you can classify them. Okay, again take the women's one. For women's I'll be taking scarf, then boots, then number 3 socks, then the second advertisements. We'll be taking velvet, then take the second one jeans, take the third one as coats. This is a one example. Hope is that clear? What exactly the complete set of campaign structure here. Okay, you have a doubt, sir, how can we conduct this campaign? Okay, if I wanted to create ads, okay, so where should I visit, and where should I go to create a campaign, to create ads, so on so on. It's very easy. So system, your Facebook has created and also made that platform so wider and also accessible all over the world. The URL is called as Meta. Okay, in Meta only we can do this entire things. Okay, so what I would like to do is campaign. Inside that you have a ads, then inside that you have a, sorry, ad set, then inside that you have a ads. Okay, so one interesting concept is, sir, I wanted to access my business page, sorry, Meta account or Meta tool. So how can you access? So I will tell you that one tool called as meta.business.facebook. So that is your URL to access for creating this content. So I'll be writing in this area. So first you have to visit this page. This is actually a URL. The URL is business.facebook.com. So in that you will be getting that option called as campaign. When you, and also you can get ad centers from your page. So from the pages profiles you have a ad center. So use directly ad center, so which will take you to creating this campaign. You can change the color as you required, so on so on. And then for women's, take this, it's enough. So create this visit between these two. Then directly will you will be getting this create option. Now let's see what we can do this. So first I'll be copying this URL, go to the next tab and paste and press enter key. So Meta business suite. So click start. So already account is running, your account ID is displaying here itself. Could you able to get this Meta Business Suite? So saying this is the URL. This is the first method. Just you visit this URL. Here only you can create a ads. Click on add button, and also you can create here itself. So in the left hand side of the page or in the middle of the page, you have this option: create ad, create rule, create story. You have so many things. Now system is asking, so are you ready to create the first ad? That users are using, and also active users in our Facebook family, would you like to have this run ads that what you will be liking? So check out your ad budget and also the duration at any time. Okay, and what is the number of new customers you will be getting? That this is a summary. Okay, reach the new customers and also which will save your time. So and manage and also track all of your ads in one place using this Meta Business Suite. And also when you, okay, later we will talk about that contents and other part. Okay, if the system is ready, okay, I'll be coming back. Yeah, okay, so first enter URL. Secondly, you go to this area ads, or you click here itself the add button. Then system asking this information, and directly click on this create ad button. When you ask for this create ad button, if you are running any ads, that also which will show you. Now system is offered to create an ad, the existing content and also automated content. So here you have create an ad from the scratch. Whenever you are creating ad, system is asking what type of uh, recommend sorry options you are going to be selecting. Would you like to get more calls for your business? Then select the middle one. Okay, if you are looking for, or if you are promoting your business in the locally, then select the fourth one. Okay, if you are promoting only your page, then you go for second page. And if you are sending a planning to send a messages, and you go for the first one. And build your business, then you go for the fifth one. And if you wanted to divert that entire traffic, visitors or audience, to the website, then you go for the website visitors. Or if you wanted to plan for creating the leads, then select the last one. So make ensure, and also which will give you some of the uh, advertisement proof. Okay, so but you wanted to have a advertisement content. Okay, and say this one example here, what they have given here. Okay, one, they have given that headline, then what company is going to offer, sign up for so and so on, and they will be receiving 15% off in the next purchases. Okay, and in the bottom of the image you have a sign up to get 15%. The moment if they click for the particular button like sign up, then asking for contact information, then finally clicking the submit. Is an example. And when you scroll up in this page, so check one by one, and also if you are planning to divert your audience to website, look at this. So Instagram, okay, and also Zoomcher, but you need to have a website. Clear? Just it is an example of this area. And if you are looking for calls, yes. So if you are looking for calls, before select that option, make ensure how this system is going to be displaying in Instagram account and also in the Facebook. Okay, at the same time you have a area. So I'll be taking some example like this. And system is asking what is the goal. Would you like to get more website visitor? You select the whatever you have seen now. So again is asking what is the exact goal of the campaign. So select this, then scroll down. So if you wanted to see much more option if needed, just again you click in the bottom of this area. The first one we selected, these are the list of goals, what exactly that ads to be created here. Okay, and this is my ID, and scroll down, then add creative, then you can use the post. So click the post and write the keyword. then headline, select and write this digital marketing. Okay. So I'll be writing digital mark. So coming soon, headline. Okay, so click edit option if you are planning to modify the changes. Like if you don't like this ad, you can create and you can download it. Okay, so just for understanding purpose, and start from your account. Suppose if you have images that you can upload from the favorites in Instagram, if you have in the stock images, if you have the ad accounts, if you have, say this, I have so many things. One of that I'll be taking. So digital growing. Okay, so select this and close. And if you're not like that, go to the upload button and browse this. So take this. Okay, better I'll be taking this NICT or NICT logo and also poster, and it's adding now, it's uploading. So scroll down, it's updated. So close it. Edit option, select different images or videos. But it was not selected. Okay, for time being that I will be taking the same one. So once it is done, so scroll down. Then would you like to take that advantage of the creativity? Better you go for, say this, Facebook data automatically delivers that different ad creativity in the variation, in the variations to the people. Would you like to improve your performance? Just you enable it. If liked, then next you go for special category. Is that ad is belongs to the employment, about that employment? No, so we are not going to do that. So scroll down again and select that audience. Now this is the case, very very important. So automatically selected this India and also specified age group 18 to 65. If you wanted to modify, so click this. So specify this. If you don't like 65, set this to 49 and 50. So it's applicable for men and women. So select and scroll down. And would you like to target only India? So you select. So or else select some other part also. So search the locations as you liked. you have to drop the pin. Okay, but let it be the same one. I'm not going to change anything. So scroll down. Next, your ad will be shown to the people who matches at least one of the following interest. So I'm not going to do that. Again, criteria of that matches. Make ensure here advanced targeting features. Go to the ads manager that we will see later. Ads manager, I'll be copying this URL for conducting ads manager. Okay, next scroll down. If that everything is that okay, so save this audience. This is a normal one what I'm doing, and in the right hand side you can see what is the budget of this. Next, take advantage detailed targeting will be applied. So you can choose people, you choose that through the targeting, or you can take from the ads, or you can take a new one as you liked. Already we have done. Then schedule and set the duration. Would you like to run your ads continuously all days in a week? Then you select. So from where, from when you want it to be, set the advertise. Select the calendar. Go to the next first August onwards, and look at this budget. So the time, so on so on. Next, we have some more concept like the budget, as you said, estimate. See this? This is your reach. The value means Google, like Facebook is suggesting you this the amount and this the result. If you are okay in that, then you can take. Even you can change your option, like choose when the particular ads will end. So 7 days when you wanted to end. So start date and end date, that also can be done. Okay, if you wanted to run continuously, you take that and modify this. So rupees 85 rupees per day you have to spend. When you can increase, no problem. Okay, next, placement of your ads. The placement of your ads, if you have a website, then you can use this pixel, but I'm not going to take this excel option, pixel option, not excel. So pixel option, so once it is connected to the website, then only it start working. But right now I'm not having that particular features, and we required WordPress website, then only it will it start working. Not that won't work for Google site. Okay, and try to remember this important thing. Okay, next, now we have a platform where you would like to place your advertisements. So one, we have a Facebook, next we have a Instagram, next we have a Messenger. If that condition, if that apply, so if you are liking on that placement, then you select. If you don't want in the Messenger, you remove it off and you can start. If you're liking, then and you keep the placement. Next, you have a payment method. Okay, if everything is that okay, So go for payment. In the payment option, so scroll down. How do you make payment? Would you like to make a payment through UPI or debit card, credit card? So add your payment here. Then you can select whichever you like. So go to the next mode. Then enter that amount. Click next. So right now I'm going to cancel this because it's taking payment other rest of the payments and all. So I'll be exiting from this payment mode. So I hope that you all of you understood how to create a simple ad. And finally, when it comes to schedule, click the schedule button in the bottom. Now from here onwards, by this. So click next and add it. So go back to this option. And how much click you can expect? Say this 28 to 82 clicks you can expect from this area. The people estimated daily result, people will be clicking on this. And also there's a payment summary. If you like, then you can make the payment and start the scheduling. So there's a simple way where we can how we can create this ad. So go to one more, we have a ads itself. It is going to be say drafted now. So this is what I have taken in the beginning. You can see all your ads whatever we created. Could you able to see this? Whatever I created the ad which is available, and you can edit the draft one and you can publish by creating that. Clear? And you have a planner option. So what is the day one, what is the day two, day three? Okay, and you can create a post here and set this story, reels, ads, whatever you like. This is a planner one. But when you wanted to have a settings option here, go to this all settings. So this is the complete list of profiles in my personal page. I've created so many ads only for demonstration purpose, and which I have not posted. Is that clear now? This is a simple one how we can create a ad. Next, when you come to your home screen, in the Facebook home screen, there is an option called as ads manager. So from here itself, from here also we can create. So take your ads manager, ads manager dot facebook.com. This is what I said for creating this. Take this URL, just you type and press enter key, ads manager dot facebook.com. So this is to get meta business suite. It means only for business page. So to create to create a campaigns, then visit this URL. Sorry. So here we created so many ads. I'm going to take a new campaign. So close this. So create a new campaign. Then according to hours, loading the creations. Make ensure your bidding strategy, as I told you, as I explained you in your Google Ads. So select the auction. So so you select this, or else you select the traffic where you would like to take, or if you wanted to generate the sales, so select this. In this case, I'm going to take traffic awareness, or you can take leads also. Select your leads from your business brand, that also. But you wanted to have a forms, instance forms, messenger. The moment if they click, then that has to get a information. In that you have to do this. Okay, so I'm going to take one of this area and click continue. Then recommended option is available, so use preset campaign optimization to meet your things. If you don't want, you better you go for manual leads. Then select this. Then from here on you set the ad. So campaign name, so what is a campaign name? As I selected here, so I'm going to take campaign name as, just for as an example. Then are you looking for any ad categories? I'm not going to do that. If you like, you can select this. So employment. So go to this buying type. So campaign objective is to lead. If you want to have much more information and scroll, then asking for the budget. So advantage campaign budget, take this. So budget is 100 daily, or if you are planning to test, better you go for 100 rupees daily. But is saying that 800 per day and maximum daily spends on so on he has given. See to that what is the daily budget and what is the lifetime budget. Okay, but I'm going to take daily budget. Based on that also you can do that. Okay, and scroll down. Then budget schedule not required. Increase your budget during the specific time period. If required you can do that, and make ensure here run all days, all the time. If you want then you can select and you can modify this, or else not required. And A/B testing that also not required. Okay, finally you go for next. Now it is taking you to the next lead to the ad set. Next ad set name asking this for men. So winter collection. So scroll down. Next, choose the conversion location. Is it to be instant forms, message forms and messenger, or Instagram, or is that call? So I wanted to take calls from them. So I want to have a direct interaction. Otherwise people will convert or will change their mindset if they make delay. Then scroll down. Then Facebook page. Select your Facebook page like Tech Mentor. Then cost per result goal. Automatically it has taken. Then if you want to have a more option, select. Scroll down. Check the budget. Whatever you have entered earlier. So same thing. So you can reset the start date and time. Let it be, and go to the budget scheduling. So add the budget from the campaign setup. So take you to next because it's already entered. So it's asking again. If everything is okay, then add placement. So already we selected that add placement. So click next and say this audience definitions. So click next. then this is your leads to ads. So whatever you created, that you add it. Facebook and Instagram, both the side you will be having. So scroll down. So I have not added any images, and you can see different ways. From the mobile preview and also desktop preview. Now take the add caption. Add caption is 15% off. Buy now. Then you can take add add options. Select the images in the creativity mode. So it's going to be generated with AI. So change the media, select the image and upload. I selected this one. Click continue. So this is the display of this area. So instead of this, you can take whatever the product you have, services you have, and finally publish it. And you can take get 50% off from the AI generated. So scroll down again, enter the mobile number from if customers comes and visit where they wanted to get a call, and bottom of the screen you have a tracks. I'm not going to take this website events, so let it be as it is. If everything is okay, then finally click on. So this is how we can create our Facebook ads. Guys, is there any doubts? Is that understood? Ping me in text. Okay, so thank you all. We'll meet you in the next session. So practice and do well.
Thank you, sir.